Welcome to step 9 of the hamburger method. This is where we go more woo-woo down that woo-woo hole, where we're talking about affirmations. We're speaking your fabulousness into experience. So I alluded to this in the previous video and about how words have power. Words have a lot of power. So you can use them to sculpt your reality literally like it's clay in your hands. Now, this is the grand finale of your confidence burger, this is the building on the top. This is the burger bun on the top of the hamburger method. Now, the secret sauce with this one is that you want to start with the I am. So that's one of the most powerful sentences in the world. I am potent, I am magical, I am, and use the descriptor that you want. And here's the critical thing, here's the secret sauce of it. It is that you're basing it on sensory information that you already have previously experienced. So when people ask me how I am, I will respond and say, I'm magical. Because I know I'm magical. I create magical things all the time, like $10,000 magically appearing in my bank account. I did that. So yeah, it was a lot of hard work, and thanks IRD, I appreciate you. And so start with that sentence, I am magical. Listen to what you say when people ask you how you are, and listen to the things you say when people ask what's going on in your world as well. Listen to the things that your friends say and your family says, because you will have similar language patterns to them. Now, language patterns is the portal to how we can work out what some limiting beliefs are. And this is really critical. Like, this is where you can find those hidden sneaky beliefs that are holding you back as well. So the key with these affirmations is to pick something that you are familiar with, that you've experienced before. So say, for example, everyone knows that I'm a larger person as well, so my affirmation is I'm not going to be a size 8. I haven't been a size 8 in nearly 50 odd years. And so it is about being something that is achievable, it's measurable, it's all of those sorts of bits and pieces that you've already got those experiences in your body too. So keep going with it. This is the stuff that you say over and over as well. It starts to be mantras and affirmations as well. And mantras and affirmations are different. One of the ones that I use from Kerwin Rae is, this is simple, this is easy, and this is fun. So this is simple, this is easy, this is fun, particularly when I'm doing something really challenging, like videoing 9 videos in a row and trying to keep my speech straight after 3 brain injuries. This is the time where those sorts of things really come out for me. Now, that's the critical thing here, is just keep reminding myself, this is simple, this is easy, this is fun, this is simple, this is easy, this is fun, and it runs off my tongue now. And it's a reminder that my confidence is unfuckwithable, and it can be as bold as my winged eyeliner. And, it just helps propel me through, instead of saying, I can't do this. So on one hand, I could say, I can't do this, and that would scupper all of these. Whereas if I say, this is simple, this is easy, this is fun, I've got a library of experiences where I've used those phrases to get me through tough times. So even if it's stuff I haven't faced before and I don't know what to do, I'm clueless, I'm literally saying this is simple, this is easy, this is fun, so that I can get myself through that experience. And then that experience adds to my library of experiences, which is cool because it means that then I've got something else to build on. So I'm constantly leveraging up as well. So there you have it, treasures. This is the hamburger method in its entirety. It's a sassy, it's a science-based method that I hope I invite you to go forth and use. Flip that script on your nervous system and change things. This is designed for you to dazzle in the world. And from my heart to yours, I sincerely hope it makes a major impact in your world. Chat soon.